Welcome. This is the introduction of how to build a website. First, we're going to start with the basics of some information like domain names, web hosting, and the hosting site. So, without further ado, we're going to get started here. A domain name is identified as belonging to a particular domain. So right here, we just Google what a domain name is. So basically, what a domain is an address for your site. A domain name is just an address for your site. A domain name is the address for your digital real estate of how your website will be identified on the internet. On iPage, you can buy any domain you like if it's available. You can buy as many domains as you like, again, if it's available. And like I said before, iPage doesn't pay me to use this software. It's just something I'm comfortable with, something I've been using for a really long time, and I'm just very comfortable with it. It has a lot of perks, and I'm going to go over some of them throughout the video. And domains are fairly inexpensive, like I said, if it's available. So if it's a very popular one like a Google, or you can't use Google because they're taken, right? But if it's like something very popular that's already out there, 9 times out of 10 it's gonna be gone. Or if it's available, it's gonna be pretty pricey for whoever's selling it. Okay. And most domains are only like $10, $9.99 for a year. You can add a domain privacy, which is another $9.99. And yeah. And these are some of the features that iPage offers. You can go with some of these on your own. And here I'm going to search for a domain to see what's available. So here I'm just going to search for tattyapp.com. It's another app name, just something I'm going to see if it's available. Tatty app is available. I've already added it to my cart, and here you can see the privacy that I was talking about. And then it also gives you here, right, other options to purchase other dots or extensions, right, like .space, .tag, .website, .store. So their prices, and they all do the same thing and behave the same way, just an address, right? And here are some of the domains that I own. I have quite a few. Privacy, I have on some of them. Privacy, I don't. You can add them to all of yours if you want or not. And so some of these, well, privacy protection, you can look it up on your own. Maybe I'll go over another video. But these down here are some of the domains that are expired, and some of these are some that I done for other people. So, and so now we have web hosting. Web hosting is where your website is housed, where your digital real estate lives in the cloud. So that's what web hosting is. And iPage is a web hosting site. So I go with iPage, like I said before. This is just what I'm comfortable with, and these are some of the features and tools that they offer and have. And some of the design tools and building tools is why I like iPage the most. The Weebly builder, they have a WordPress builder. I'm not a fan of WordPress, but they have one if you are into that. So it's pretty easy to do and stuff. So you can do stores, connect your PayPal, connect your Square. They have tools for email marketing, send and receive emails, all kinds of stuff that'll help you with your website and helping to get optimized. Again, this was web hosting, basically where your digital real estate lives on the internet. Web hosting service is a type of internet hosting service that allows individuals or organizations to make their websites accessible via the World Wide Web. And that's what web hosting is, and your domain takes them to your digital real estate. And here's my digital real estate. Here is my digital real estate, my plot of land, my digital plot of land. And these are the houses on my digital real estate. iPage is the hosting site that I use. They have access to email marketing tools, tool security, all kinds of tools, securities. iPage isn't the only hosting platform out there. You can go GoDaddy, you can do WordPress, you can do a lot of different places. Let's GoDaddy, do it. Yeah, I just been using iPage for a while now. They've been pretty fair. The price is pretty cool. When you sign up, you get a free domain for a year. All kinds of special and stuff. It's pretty easy, pretty cool.